Welcome to US Probate Leads. Let me quickly introduce you to our free DIY quote tool. DIY allows you to buy unintended and you get an additional 25% off of your initial purchase with the promo code USPL25. To qualify for the 25% off deal, you must purchase either a subscription and/or historical leads. This offer is not available for one-time purchases. Subscriptions can be canceled at any time with a 5-day notice. Let's get started by selecting one or multiple states. I'm going to go ahead and select Texas to get started. If you're in real estate, select Probate Leads. If you're a financial services company, select the Air Leads option. Select the county option to continue. Our best pricing is offered at the county level. The biggest counties in Texas are featured here. The ones in red have the highest number of leads. You can also search for additional counties using the search bar, or you can click this button to see all 254 counties available. I'm going to go ahead and select Collin County. Please fill in your information here to continue to pricing. Now to the fun part. This is where you select the lead package that you want to buy. Subscriptions are available for new data and our best deal. You save 20% by picking a subscription over a one-time purchase. You can also adjust how many leads you want to buy for each county. By default, we select all leads, but you have options available for as few as 25 leads all the way to the max leads available for each county. Most of our high-performing realtors find that jump-starting their inherited lead program with historical data is a good way to get started. We offer historical data for 3, 6, and 12 months for as little as 75 cents per lead. I'm going to go ahead and select the monthly subscription plan to get started. Apply the promo code USPL25 to receive 25% off your first month billing. If you have any questions, you can scroll down here and read our frequently asked questions that cover most of the topics that people have questions about. To finish your purchase, go ahead and click Proceed to Checkout. Enter your private information here, and that's all you got to do. You've finished your order and you're ready to receive leads from US Probate Leads.